Another side note, what about numbers like this? Okay, what does that mean? Well, what it means is that we take everything that's inside the brackets and multiply by itself so that we have two of them. That's what the indices or the exponent means. So in this case it's going to be minus 3 times minus 3. Okay, is that going to be a positive or negative answer? Well, that's negative, so the answer would be positive. 3 times 3 is 9, and that's the answer. It's not negative 9, it's positive 9. Even though they're the same, they're still both negative numbers. Okay, what about this then? Okay, now it's going to be negative 3 multiplied by itself 3 times. So we're going to have negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. We already know that this is positive 9. So we're going to multiply that by negative 3. And we're going to get what? A positive or a negative number? Well, it's a positive number times a negative number, so the answer is going to be a negative number, and 9 times 3 is 27, so our answer is going to be minus 27. So when we have a negative number, it often, when we have an indice up here, it often goes positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Because a negative times a negative is a positive, but then when we times that by a negative, we get a negative. And then when we times it by another negative, we get a positive. So you just need to be really, really careful with that. The rule of thumb is if this is a negative number and this is an even number, the answer is going to be positive. If we have a negative number to the power of an odd number, the answer is going to be negative.